Hello everyone, it's Bobby from the Westover Homestead. Little project I have going on right now is I'm installing some can lights here before I finish up the ceiling. And what I've done is I've kind of positioned the can light about center of the window here, because when the final kitchen's in, the sink will be in the center of the window. And then we'll remove the temporary. So I put the can lights up there. They came with comes with the spanner brackets and then nails already in them, and you put them up there, and you can position the light where you want. I mean, you can even slide it and move it back and forth, and wherever you decide you want it. I want it closer to over the sink. Can't go in between these floor joists because my span is not wide enough for the brackets to support the can light. So I bumped it out a little bit, which I think will be fine on the light over the sink. And also I've installed one over here, which I'm kind of doing down here. Eventually it'll be like a little when I close that off, I'm going to do a little nook here, a bar area. So when we're eating, we can have some light on the subject. So, and then I have a temporary light up here, which is going to be a ceiling fan light combo to circulate the air. And what I've done is run down my power and put in a dual switch. So this switch will actually operate the ceiling fan light, and then I put in a double switch is going to operate the can lights. So what I've done is I put in a 3-wire with a ground and a common, and ran that up to this. So anticipating that I can come off of there and tie into my can lights. So I've used the red as a hot leg for my ceiling fan combination, and then I'll use the black leg coming up there to tie in my can lights. So I have drilled some holes there, and what I'm using is my Milwaukee angle drill. Makes it real nice, and a long bit that we use to go through. And well, I'll basically show you this here when I set up. Let me set that down. So then I'm going to run the wires through here, come into there, tie into that black wire that I have up there, and then come down and tie it into the bottom switch. Then I'll have my can lights. I did this because I need this light I have for my porch light, and then I ran another 3-wire light, and what I anticipate on doing that is having ceiling fan lights, ceiling fans out on the porch. Let's move some air in a hot summer. So what I've done is I've ran up through there and stubbed out. Of course, that ain't hooked up yet, even though I'm utilizing some power through the kitchen and stuff. I just won't hook that up yet. And then I'll hang some ceiling lights up here, some ceiling fans, circulate there, and some lights in the evening. So I had to do the double switch, so I had plenty of switches to do that. So let me just demonstrate what I'm going to do here with my drill, and show you how we run the wires. It makes it real nice with that particular drill combination there. I use my angle drill, so you ain't gotta try to get in between the studs. It makes it nice. You just put it up there, and it's got a screw on the end which will bite into the wood. And I want to go in about the center of the floor joist. Oh, first I want to go the right way. I had it reversed. And tie them together. Nice handy little deal. This Milwaukee angle drill is real nice. You can spin this and do different things, but when you're down here and you're working between floor joist and especially running wires, this is a fact. I have this little thing Milwaukee drill I've had for many years. Milwaukee's a good tool. This is just a 3/4 inch bit, screw bit with screw on the end, which when you're holding it up there, you can, if you're on a ladder or anything, you can just start and work something nice. So I'm going to run the wires over here and tie them in, and then I'll have some can lights before I finish the cylinder. I'm Bobby. I'm out. God bless.